All right, hello everybody. Off for another fishing day. It's late Sunday, so just trying to get out, get some fishing before the work week starts. Surprised how little wind there is here, as it was windy more inland, but nonetheless out here to give a try, see what we got. It is a late August here, so I'm going to try to go for some pike first at a hole up there, then kind of scoop back the opposite way and see if I can go in the grass and find some largemouth and things like that there. So if you see this video, that means I probably had a good run and a couple good catches. So we'll see how it goes, and let's see what happens. I think I got some here. Yep, got something on the jig. Oh, it's taking a lot of drag. Oh, it's going. Let's see what we got here. It's coming to the top. Okay. Which way are you going? Where'd you go? Oh, good fight. It's got to be a pike. There's no head shakes. Ooh. Is that a whole lot of grass or a big pike? Or I'm reading the shadow wrong. Oh boy, it's a big pike. It is a big one. Oh wow. All I got is a 14-pound fluoro on this. It is, wow. That looks long. Hopefully the net's big enough. This is gonna take a bit. Wow. That looks real thick. There it goes. There it goes. Come on back. It was just along that grass up there, and it took it. Hopefully on the jig it's got in the corner of its mouth, or away from its teeth. Let's try to get, nope, not ready yet. Not ready yet. Okay, it's gonna take a bit. Wow. That looks at least 5 pounds there. At least 5 pounds. It looks uber long. Is it ready? Nope, I don't think so. It's still trying to go. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Let's see here. That's a big one. That is a big one. Okay, can I net this? Let's see. Barely. It's not gonna fit. Oh, jeez. I'm gonna have to grab it. Maybe if I take it head first. Maybe. Nope. Alright. There's a scale in the water. No thanks. Okay, I think she's tired. I think she's tired. Let's get the net out of here. Okay. Wow. Okay. Let's see if I can grab this one. That is a massive, massive head. Oh boy. I just touched it and she went a little wild. Better if I was on the other side. Just grabbed with my right hand. Okay, she might be tired enough now. Wow, this is uber thick. Let's see, grab it properly. Let's put spot lock on for a second here. Come on. Okay. Nope. Come on back. Was not expecting something this size, that's for sure. Well, that's a little bit better. If I could grab it with my hands, I would. Just around the body, but there's no way. It's too big. Okay, come on back. It is the right spot. Okay, almost there. Don't want to lose my hand. Okay. I don't want to lose. Okay, maybe the side's better. Yes, okay. Got it. Holy cow, this is a beast. I am all caught up here. Not the best. Okay, loosen that. Holy mackerel. Ugh. Oh boy. Look at the size of this beast. Holy cow. That's better. Look at this monster. This has to be like close to 10 pounds, if not more. Wow. Look at the size of this. Where is it hooked? Just on, I don't know if you can see that, on the edge there. Wow, wow. Oh. There it goes, into my finger. Yeah. That is a monster. Let's see how long it is, roughly through my... That looks... Oh, 40? There's 36 there. There's the tail. I'm not even sure if I try to weigh this thing, but I'm going to. Okay, I don't want to leave it out too long. Oh boy. If I don't catch anything else, this is worth it here. Alright, zero it out. Yes, gotta factor the weight of the scale here. And I'm gonna stand up this time. Alright. Oh, man alive. What is she? Will it hold? Oh wow. 13. You can see that, 13 pounds. That's close enough. Let's get it back in the water. Revive it. Oh my gosh. Oh. Look at that beast. Look at that head. What a beast. All right. Back in the water. Okay. Look at the size of that mouth. Unbelievable. Oh, come back, come back, come back. Almost lost her there. Okay, let's get her revived. I don't know if you can see that. I go down on my knees. It's easier, too high. Okay, let's revive her. Get a better angle here. Look at that monster, wow. Wow, wow, wow. Turn it around. There, should be able to get a good look here. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. I don't know if I can hold its underbelly here. Okay, that's a little bit better. Wow, I need 2 hands to get my hands around this. What a beast. Definitely. Oh, is it going? There it goes. Almost. There it is. All right. Now it's just on this grass line right around here. And on the, what's on here? The jig. Again, the cockpit is a mess here. Got stuff all over the place. On this jig, you can see that jig with a craw and the one arm appendage gone there. Wow, what a beast. All right, more to come. Let's see what else we can find. Whoa, is it on? Please tell me it's on. I think it's on. I think it's on. It's not. All right, well, I'm gonna call it a day. There wasn't too much beyond the that little 13-pound pike, but I just wanted to take a video here just to show how amazing this lake is here. You can see just that the wind's really settled down. There's a couple loons calling to each other here, one over there. But you can see just with the sun going down, just oh, there's that loon right there, just popped up. Well, anyways, just wanted to show you the kind of the beauty of nature, not just the fishing part. And I'm gonna try a couple more spots up here with the whopper plopper. Maybe I'll get some, maybe I won't. But I'll be basically just fishing now on the weekends. With the days getting really short now and such. But just amazing, just to soak it in. And this is the other nice part about fishing, just the beauty of nature and everything around you here. Well, hopefully you like that one video. It's not the greatest shot I took of the overall pike, but hope you get a feel for what that was like to catch it. So we'll catch you next time.